Welcome to AMT Auto, and today I have an absolutely stunning Miami Blue 718 PDK 2019 with 20-inch turbo alloys, Bi-Xenon headlights, the car's just arrived, beautiful example, absolutely stunning. As you can see, no dents, scratches or damage to the alloy wheels at all. We've got the rear wing painted black here in high gloss finish. The private plate, by the way, does not come with the car. And that gloss black onto the handles as well, runs throughout. Lovely yellow brake calipers, Porsche centre crest there in colour, additional option, as we know if you're a Porsche lover. Stunning Miami Blue seat belts, again running theme throughout the vehicle. Porsche centre head crest there as well in the black leather seats. Beautiful example. Obviously the Miami Blue's a special vehicle, special colour. So you've got your sports tailpipes there. I'll take you to the inside the car. There we go. So let's turn her over. Two operable keys. Done 11,797 miles. Obviously the navigation with the vehicle, as you've just seen there as well. There we go. Sports exhaust. You might hear that there as well. Bring up the navigation, maps, heated seats, heated steering wheel. The button's just behind here, you might be able to hear it click. Heard that a little bit there. Car's in absolutely beautiful condition. It's nice to see the Miami Blue as well while she's sat in the vehicle. You've got automatic dimming mirrors, like I say, heated seats, you've got your cruise control, you've got obviously your light design package and your seat belts, as I've mentioned before. You've obviously got the power steering plus on the car as well, on the steering wheel. You've got a 64 litre fuel tank as well for them longer journeys. Overall, you're talking about a list of optional extras there of 11,647. All be within the description, so a highly spec'd 718 Cayman. Just a beautiful car, really beautiful example. It's just arrived. What more can I say other than why wouldn't you buy this car? If you don't hesitate to contact us or the sales team at all for more information via email, telephone, live chat or text. We'll be happy to help. Thank you very much, and I wish you very